welcome to your online class of OpenOffice Writer. Today I'm going to show you that how you can insert different kind of drawing objects from a drawing toolbar, and you can modify them by adding the colors, changing their shapes, and you can make your document look more attractive. So with the help of drawing toolbar you can do this. You most of the time you will be able to see the drawing toolbar in at the bottom of your you can say OpenOffice Writer software. If you are not able to see it, you can go to the view menu, click on the toolbars, and here you can see that it is checked. If it is unchecked, then you must not be able to see in the at the bottom of the OpenOffice Writer. But if you want to see it, you can go and activate it from here. Now this will be added. Now you can see that there are different kind of shapes available here. You can easily click on any kind of shape and you can draw it. For example, if you want to draw a circle or a rectangle, so you have to click on the rectangle, and just by pressing the left mouse button you have to drag this and your rectangle is drawn. Now if you want to format this rectangle, you can just go do a right click. You can just if you want to, you can say give a name to it. If you want to color that particular area, you can change the color also. You can see that I have done. You can just go to right click, click on the area button, area command, and you can give the different kind of colors to your rectangle. Here different kind of colors you can define on your own as well. You can add a gradient of colors. It means shaded colors are also available here. If you want to create on your own, you can also create it. You have to click on this gradient tab, click here the colors which you want to mix and match. For example, I want to match this color and then this color, so you can click on this and this is selected. You do it okay, and then you have to give your name. So suppose I have given here, and then you can see that it is added. It is very easy to work with this. Now let's draw some another shape which is oval. So you just need to press a left click of the mouse and drag it to the shape whatever you is fitting your requirement. Now suppose I have to draw a circle, so I have done this. And now if I want to fill the circle, I'll do again a right click, click on the area, choose different kind of colors from the tabs which are present here. From the area you can click different kind of colors. From the shadow you can provide a shadow also. From a transparency it will be transparent, it means there will not be any color. From this colors palette you can define your own color. From this gradient also you can mix and match the colors. From here this color 1 to color 2, suppose I am matching here orange, and then I have to click different color blue. Okay, this is how you can put a color inside it. Now let's talk about, you can define different kind of shapes here. There are different shapes over here. Smiley shape is there, you just need to drag it. You can fill the colors by doing a right click here. Alright, now suppose if I want to write something inside these drawing objects, how I'll do it? You have to click on this text box. You can see here the text is written. You have to draw this text box here, and then you can write here anything. For example, computer is very interesting subject. Alright, I have written this. Now you can see that it is written in this font. If you want to change the font style here, I have already told you that how you can change it, and you have to just select this item. Alright, once this text box now suppose if you are out of this box, so you can want to change this font size, you have to go here, click anywhere on the text written, then you have to select it. So for selecting you have to do a double click, and then you will be able to select the text. Go to the formatting toolbar, increase the size whatever you like. Alright, and then you can do bold, italic, or you can change the style of writing as well, whatever you like. And then you can change the color also. So if I want to do it italic, I have done this. If I want to change the color, I can provide the color also. Alright, so this is how you can do it. You can also do a right click on the text and just go to the font, and you can click on different kind of font, size, style of writing, alignment. Its alignment should be right, left, centered, or justify. If you want to give a line spacing, you can give the line spacing also. So this is how you can change it. So this is how it's gonna work now. All right, so this is how you can add the text inside you can see the shapes which are given. So if you want to draw arrow here, different kind of arrows are also here. Suppose this arrow is given here, I have drawn this arrow. Now if you want to fill it, you can easily go to this area and fill the color. If you want to change the, you can say, different patterns of this line styles of this arrow, you can select on this line, right click on the line styles. Here you are different kind of tabs over here. You can see different kind of lines are here, dotted lines. You can give a color also to the lines and then press OK. So you can see that it has been changed. If you want to again fill to the color into the area, you can do it from the area and you can go and fill the color easily. All right, so I'll show you how the lines can be changed once more. Do a right click, go to the line command. Here there are different kind of tabs, line style, arrow style. You can give a arrow style also. There are different kind of arrow styles given here. You can select from here and then press OK. So this is how it works. It is very easy to insert the drawing objects inside the, you can say, OpenOffice Writer. You can insert it, add a text to it, change the color of it. There are different kind of shapes over here. Just play with these colors and this formatting styles. Practice it at home. I'll show you some more formatting styles in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy, enjoy your holidays at home, and do watch the video and study properly. Thank you so much.